everyone, and welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today, we have an exciting review. For all the car enthusiasts out there, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the XTOOL A30M Anyscan Wireless BTOBD2 Scanner. This powerful diagnostic tool promises to make your car maintenance and troubleshooting a breeze. Let's dive in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's talk about the design. The A30M boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it easy to handle. Its compact size means you can take it with you wherever you go. No more bulky diagnostic tools to lug around. The XTOOL A30M comes packed with a variety of features that set it apart from other OBD2 scanners on the market. First and foremost, it's wireless, utilizing Bluetooth technology for a seamless connection to your mobile device. Features and benefits. Full system diagnosis. Forget expensive dealership scans. The A30M can delve deep into all your car's systems, from the engine and transmission to the ABS and airbags. Read and clear diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), view live data, streams, and perform active tests to pinpoint exactly what's wrong. Bi-directional control. This is where the A30M truly shines. Unlike basic scanners, it can send commands to your car's ECU to activate components and test their functionality. Imagine being able to turn on the fuel pump, cycle the ABS system, or calibrate the steering angle sensor all from your phone or tablet. 21 reset services. Save time and money by skipping trips to the mechanic for routine maintenance. The A30M can handle oil resets, EPB electronic parking, brake calibration, throttle body adaptation, and more. Free updates. Unlike some scanners that charge for updates, the A30M keeps you up to date with the latest software and vehicle compatibility, free of charge. Now, let's get to the good stuff. How it works. The XTOOL A30M connects to your car's OBD2 port using wireless Bluetooth technology, eliminating the need for messy cables. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to roll. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply pair the scanner with your smartphone or tablet. Download the XTOOL app, and you're ready to go. The user-friendly app provides real-time data, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's performance and identify potential issues instantly. The XTOOL A30M is designed to be compatible with a wide range of OBD2-compliant vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for both dealers and professional mechanics. Now, let's talk about performance. The XTOOL A30M boasts impressive speed and accuracy when diagnosing your vehicle. It can quickly retrieve and display diagnostic information, saving you time and effort. We tested it against a competitor, and the A30M consistently outperformed in terms of speed and reliability. This is a game changer for anyone who values efficiency in their automotive diagnostics. Here are some pros and cons about XTOOL A30M. Pros: free updates, user-friendly app, affordable price, compact and portable, built-in voltage monitor. Cons: Bluetooth limitations, limited advanced features. In conclusion, the XTOOL A30M wireless BTOBD2 scanner is a must-have for anyone who wants to take control of their vehicle's diagnostics. Its wireless functionality, compatibility with various vehicles, impressive performance, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice in the world of OBD2 scanners. If you're serious about maintaining your car or providing top-notch service as a mechanic, the A30M is a tool worth investing in. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've had experience with the XTOOL A30M. Until next time, drive safe.